Hello everyone and welcome back to PostNetwork Academy, where we turn complex concepts into clear and actionable knowledge. Today we are unlocking the magic of probability with the addition law, a powerful tool for calculating the likelihood of events. So whether you are a student, a data scientist or AI researcher or just someone curious about how math makes sense of the world, this is the video for you. So grab a notebook and let's dive right in. So for any two events A and B, the probability of their union is given by in the following relation. P A union B is equal to P A plus PB minus P A intersection B. And this formula calculates the probability of either A, B or both occurring. And the term P A intersection B adjusts for the overlap counted between PA and PB. Now let us see the first problem. Thereafter you will understand law and examples both clearly. So from a pack of 52 playing cards, one card is drawn at random. What is the probability that it is a jack or jack of spades or a queen of hearts? So there are 52 total cards and the probability of a jack of spades is 1 upon 52. Second, probability of a queen of hearts, that is also 1 upon 52, and no overlap between these events. So P A intersection B would be 0. Now let us use the formula P A union B, that would be equal to P A plus P B minus P A intersection B. So just we will plug the values because PA is 1 upon 52, PB is 1 upon 52 and PA intersection B is 0. So we will get 1 upon 26. Let us see another example. So there are 25 lottery tickets that are marked with the first 25 numerals and a ticket is drawn at random. So find the probability that it is a multiple of 5 or 6. So there are total ticket 25. So sample space size is 25. Multiple of 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. There are n events, 5 events in favor of multiple of 5. And multiple of 7. So there are 3. Common multiples 0. So we will use the formula and we will plug the values. So PA 5 upon 25, PB 3 upon 25, so we will get 8 upon 25. Let us see third example. So find the probability of getting either a number multiple of 3 or a prime number when a fair die is thrown. So total outcome 6 and a multiple of 3, these are 3 and 6. So there are two events. Prime numbers 2, 3 and 5 are prime. So 3 you have got. And common we have 3 in both. So because 3 is multiple of 3 as well as it is a prime number. That's why it is a common. So this event we have to subtract. So at least one time because it will be counted twice. So one time we are subtracting. So PA plus PB minus you will subtract common element. So just plug the values. So 2 upon 6 plus 3 upon 6 minus 1 upon 6, that will come 2 upon 3. Let us see fourth example. So there are 40 pages in a book and a book is opened at random. So find the probability that the number of this page is multiple of 3 or 5. So total page is 40 and a multiple of 3, 3, 6, 9 till 39. So there are 13 pages which are multiple of 3 page numbers, and multiple of 5 there are 8. So, and common multiples 15 and 30. So there are 2. So just we will use addition law of probability and we will plug all the values. So PA 13 upon 40, PB 8 upon 40 and common 2 upon 40. So we will get 19 upon 40. Let us see the last one. So a card is drawn from a pack of 52 playing cards. Find the probability that the drawn card is an ace or red card. So total cards 52 and 4 cards that are aces. So probability of drawing 4 cards, that would be 4 upon 52. And red cards, there are 26 red cards. So out of 26, if you draw a red card, the probability of getting a red card would be 26 upon 52. That is half, because half are red cards. Red, there are 2 cards that are red and also aces. So these are commons. So we'll subtract this one. So P A union B, PA plus PB, and this you will subtract. So what will you get? 4 upon 52 plus 26 upon 52 minus 2 upon 52, and that would come 28 upon 52 and 7 upon 30. So hope you have understood this concept, and for more videos and resources you can visit PostNetwork Academy. Now let us conclude that what we have learned. Addition law of probability simplifies the calculation of probabilities for a union of events. It adjusts for overlaps to avoid double counting, that we subtract A probability of A intersection B. Now example demonstrate its versatility in real world problems so that you can understand it very easily. Now for more resources and videos you can visit website www.postnetwork.co. You can visit YouTube channel for videos and playlist. You can also visit Facebook page for a post and videos, and you can also connect to LinkedIn page of PostNetwork Academy. So hope you understood the concept. Thanks for watching the video.